Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be making an easy dessert, and it is called Mexican Lemon Carlotas. So what do we need to make Mexican Lemon Carlotas? You need the juice of 5 lemons. You need a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. A 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, and 2 packages of Maria's cookies. And I wasn't thinking when they said 2 packages, I ended up buying 2 boxes, which have 6 packs each in them. So you'll only need 2 packages. So let's begin. The first thing that you want to do is pour in the condensed milk into a mixing bowl. And next, the 12 ounces of evaporated milk goes into the same bowl. And I have my juicer here, and we're going to be doing juice of 5 lemons. And this is the last one. It sure gives you a workout. And you want to make sure to take care as to not get any seeds in here. And then you want to go ahead and blend it all together. And once it's all mixed together, then we'll go ahead and set it aside. And then you want to take the Maria's cookies and put them in an 8x8 glass pan and make 1 layer on the bottom. So it looks like it's going to be 9 cookies per layer. Then you want to put a layer of the sweet sauce over the cookies. And then do another layer of cookies, and you want to keep alternating the cookies and the sauce, until all the cookies are used, and then you want to end up a final layer of the sauce on top. So I'll continue this and I'll be right back. And I'm putting on the last layer now. You want to make sure that all the cookies are covered. And if you find out they're not really covered, you can just reach in between and add some of the sauce and douse them. Okay, there you have it. Now we're going to go ahead and put it into the freezer for at least 2 hours. I'm actually going to leave it longer than that because we're going to have this for dessert after supper.
So we are here several hours later and the Mexican lemon Carlota is done. I also want to say that I am going to be doing a bonus video, so stay tuned for that. So let's see if we can get this served up and have my husband give it a try. Okay, so here is the finished product. Looks really, really good.
It's got a nice lemon flavor. I like it.
So my husband and I really liked this, and it was easy to make. There's a lot of good Mexican food out there, and I did tell you that we was going to have a bonus video. Are you excited yet? It is a Mexican horchata. Hello everyone, here is the bonus video that I've been promising you. It is Mexican horchatas. So what's in Mexican horchata? 1 1/3 cups uncooked white long grain rice, 1 cup milk, 2 whole cinnamon sticks, 4 cups water, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/2 cup sugar, ice, and ground cinnamon for garnish. So the first thing that we need to do is put 1 1/3 cups uncooked white long grain rice in the blender. The 2 cinnamon sticks and 2 cups water. Turn the power on and you want to blend it for about 2 minutes until the rice and the cinnamon gets roughly ground up. And then we're going to stop it. And then add the last 2 cups of water. Put the lid back on. And then we're going to blend it for another minute. Okay, so now it is blended and now it needs to soak overnight to get all of the flavorings mixed together. And then we will add the remaining ingredients after it soaks. More than 8 hours later, we are back to finish up the horchata. So we want to go ahead and strain this into a fine mesh strainer to collect all of the bigger chunks. You don't want your horchata to be chewy. And give it a little shake so all of the liquid strains through. And then we're going to go ahead and throw away the chunks, the big pieces of rice and the big pieces of cinnamon, and then we'll strain it again. A lot of recipes only have you strain it once. This one has you strain it twice, and I'm sitting there thinking, well, it looked pretty good. But we'll go ahead and strain it a second time and see if there's any other chunks. We don't want your horchata to be gritty. So we'll go ahead and strain it a second time. And as you can see, there are some thicker pieces, and that would make your horchata gritty. So now that we've got that strained twice, we are going to add the rest of the ingredients. So we want to pour in 1 cup milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/2 cup of sugar, and then mix it until it's thoroughly all mixed. Then we'll go ahead and pour it into a pitcher. And it makes 1 liter. And then you're going to want to make sure that you put it in the refrigerator to chill until you're ready to serve. And when you go and serve it, you want to put it over lots of ice and garnish it with ground cinnamon.
Alright, so the horchata is chilled, and you want to make sure that you serve it over plenty of ice. And then give a little sprinkle of cinnamon. I don't want to get too much. And the moment of truth. Oh wow, I've never had horchata before. My husband has at Cafe Rio. I'm going to have him try it and compare it, but this is really, really good. I'm going to be making this a lot. Cheers. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.